Okay, so the client that we've been working with is Safeguard Industries, trading as Winston Blinds, Winston with a Y. So before they were introduced to us, they had a lot of issues with a lot of the other partners that they deal with Telstra, namely, like if they have a mobility request, they'll go to a mobility partner. If they have a network request, they'll go to a network, data partner. And it was all siloed, so they were all, doing different things, not seeing the full picture of what the IT manager needed to achieve. So that resulted in a lot of billing issues, project delivery delays, and basically inconsistencies with their experience in managing their IT, telephony, mobility services. So a lot of the impacts were things like, store opening time were delayed because infrastructure or network infrastructure weren't delivered in time because of IP detailing issues, the other partners not knowing the network structure, how it needs to be detailed, like the correct IP addressing, for example, subnets and, BGP routing, etc. and so forth. So, that caused a lot of delays for a lot of their sites opening, so they had to always look at like an alternative backup solution rather than opening with the required communication or network setup for their team. Those were some of the impacts that they were really feeling, the need to change or for improvement. It was years that they had a lot of billing issues because obviously with inconsistency with different partners, different parties being involved in it, people were quoting on different things, not knowing what the current contract structures and discounts or I guess discounts off the standard pricing, because a lot of the time bigger companies deal with complex contracts arrangements. So if they're not quoting with the right discounts, that can change the billing and impact on their billing. So they will get billed more than or at list price as opposed to the discounted or agreement pricing, based on their contract. So there's a lot of things that was impacting on their business and their billing because of the inconsistency between so many parties being involved in those projects that they had to handle. So after like 3 or 4 years of continuous issues, we were introduced to Winston IT manager Daniel to help him review everything and make sure that we get them back on track to deliver, because they were incurring a lot of incorrect charges, causing a lot of age debt on their accounts. So I went through and basically reviewed about 3 or 4 years worth of billing data, looking at all the existing service network topologies where the inconsistency of like incorrect charging services that should have already been disconnected hasn't been, basically project delivery, tying up all the loose ends, all of those things that wasn't managed properly, went in and resolved that within a 3 to 4 months period. Then once I got down their bill from like, I think it was like around 25% savings overall. Then we negotiated with the Telstra team on, the payment plan, so that way all of these can be cleared out, and that now we're back on track with the Winston team. That's awesome. Well, I guess it would be a relief. I mean, can you imagine in their position, after about 3 or 4 years of constant issues and all of that, and now they can actually say, well, I know where I'm going, I know what my bill looks like every month, and then even service and project delivery, we promised the client within a 3 months time frame. We've been consistently delivering that over the past 18 months for them. So I guess from any IT manager perspective, that would be a good experience, I would say. Hi, it's Tan from Bizcom. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.